Build your life around what matters most, without sacrificing income. If you're a caregiver or someone who puts family first, you've probably wondered, how can I earn consistent income without trading all my time or freedom? That was my reality too, caring for my mom full time, while trying to figure out how to survive, let alone thrive. That's why I joined the Legacy Builder Blueprint. It's not about hustling 24/7. It's about creating stable, flexible online income streams that actually fit into your life, not the other way around. If you're tired of feeling stuck between caregiving and earning, overwhelmed by online opportunities that never delivers, wanting something that works around your real life, not against it, then you're exactly the right person to start with the Legacy Builder Blueprint. You can earn daily, you can live freely, you can care deeply, and it starts right here when you get in touch with me via my website, email, DM, or by leaving a comment for more information. And let me help you get started.